Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you see action blocked on your Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens because you make a lot of action, the same action at one time. So you need to know that you actually need not you couldn't do many the same actions at one time. So you need to know this, and also it's just temporary block from Instagram, so Instagram will unblock this action for you. Sometimes it's blocked for a few hours, sometimes for a few days, it depends on the situation. But also you can try to change network, so just go to the settings, and if you receive the server on Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data and use cellular data. And if you receive it on cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to use another device, so sometimes it also helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.